Good morning. This is my work on the covalent bonding. Covalent bonding is a type of chemical bonding where atoms share one or more pairs of electrons to form a molecule. This sharing of electrons allows the atoms to achieve a more stable electron configuration, often resulting in a full outer energy level. This is carbon dioxide. It is a colorless, odorless gas composed of one carbon atom bonded to two oxygen atoms. Key aspects: greenhouse gases. CO2 plays a significant role in climate change. Respiration. Humans and animals exhale CO2 as a byproduct of cellular respiration. Photosynthesis. Plants absorb CO2 for photosynthesis. It is made of two components: carbon, which is a fundamental element in all living things, and oxygen. It is a vital element for life on Earth. These little dots are the valence electrons, which are the most outermost electrons in an atom, participating in chemical bonding. They determine an element's reactivity and chemical properties. This is H2O. This is the chemical formula for water. It is essential for life on Earth. Makes up 71% of our planet's surface, composed of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Hydrogen is the lightest and most abundant chemical element in the universe. It is a highly reactive gas that is essential for various applications. Key properties: atomic number 1, symbol H, atomic mass 1,00794. Uses: hydrogen can be used as a clean energy source in fuel cells, producing electricity and water as byproducts. Industrial processes: hydrogen is used in the production of chemicals such as ammonia and methanol. Fuel: hydrogen can be used as a fuel for vehicles, power generation, and industrial applications. Oxygen is also a part of H2O, which can be used for breathing, and it is essential for human and